I'm going to talk about my top converting product that I make a bulk of my income through with recurring commissions and how I promote it. My name is Michael Feyrer Jr. This is Video Content Marketing. Let's get right to it. So in the last 3 videos, we talked a lot about the types of products and stuff that you can get to affiliate market. We talked about how to find the products, how you can make sure that you have the proper volume in the products, how you can verify that the products that you're selling are actually good. And then, of course, we talked about how you can drive free traffic to those products. Now, I can understand how overwhelming it can be just to figure out how you put all this together. I mean, you need an email autoresponder, you need a Facebook autoresponder, and you need web pages and funnels, and you don't know how to write emails. You need something that helps you with the copy on the emails, and 101 other things probably going through your head as to how you put all this together. And it used to be that you had to buy all these products separately and put them together in order to set up a marketing system like the one we're talking about. But those days are long gone. There's now one product that you can get that does everything for you, and that product is Builderall. Now, Builderall is by far my top converting product that I sell, and the reason why is because no matter what you are marketing, no matter what niche you are in, no matter what you are doing, you need a product like Builderall. Because with Builderall, you can do all of those things in one package. It has an email list product. It has web page makers. It has copywriting information so you can create a copyright. If you wanted to create an app, you can create an app with the Builderall product. And of course, it's all just one fee. You're not going around finding an email place and finding a place to build your funnels and finding a place to build your web page. It's all in one package. It's an absolutely amazing package that creates recurring commissions on a monthly basis. The first month you sign someone up for Builderall, you get 100% of that commission, and every month following that, you get 30% commissions. Not only that, but if the person that you sign up decides that they want to become an affiliate marketer as well, and they go out there and they recruit 3 or 4 people that are going to use the platform, you get 30% of those second-tier commissions as well, every single month. Now, I'm sure you can see how this would compile pretty quickly. And the beauty of it is it's a quality product that every person who does online marketing in any niche would have value in. Trust me, it's a lifesaver because I don't have to go out there and find a separate domain host to host my websites. And I don't have to go out there and find a separate mailing program to do my mailing lists. And I don't have to go out there and find someone else to host my funnels. And it's really easy to write emails because they have a copyright editor right there that gives you email templates. If I want to create an online course, they have it built in. If I want to create an online webinar to help me with my funnels, they have it built in. All of these products and much, much more are included for a 1 monthly fee package. It's pretty awesome stuff, guys. And you can check it out right now on a 7-day free trial. Builderall makes me my monthly income every month. I'm pretty thankful for it, and I'm also really excited to be promoting such a quality product. It has everything that you need. It takes all those things that are overwhelming that you would have to purchase separately in one package. And here's the beautiful thing. If you decide to become an affiliate marketer, or you just decide that the Builderall package is perfect for what you want to market as an affiliate marketer, here's the thing. You get all of these advantages that I'm going to put on the screen right now by signing up through me. You get the advantage of having a personal one-on-one mentor, so you don't have to try to figure all these bits and pieces out and how they work together. You're going to have access to me every day if you want to contact me. We also have group team calls once a week so that you can get on there and ask any questions that you're interested in. You're also getting 2 of my highest converting funnels directly to you. You don't even have to worry about setting up funnels or trying to figure it out. I'm going to provide you with some Instagram and Facebook images that you can use to grow your social influence. You're going to get all kinds of courses and SEO information and even a live broadcasting course that's going to show you how to grow your audience on YouTube, Facebook, or wherever else you decide that you want to market from for free traffic. And if you want to do paid traffic, there's also information on how to create Facebook ads and Instagram ads and all that sort of stuff. It's all included in what you get just by signing up as an affiliate through me. Why? Because I want you to be as successful as I am. Whether you're selling your own products or you choose to be a Builderall affiliate, I want to make sure that you're successful. I don't want you to have to feel like I did when I started to try to figure all this stuff out on my own. It just wasn't any fun. In fact, sometimes it was really overwhelming, and I can totally understand why people quit. But if you join as an affiliate under me and you take advantage of all the tools that you're given, you're going to be able to make sales right away, just by the training that I gave you in the first 3 videos and all of the information that's provided to you as soon as you become a member. It's just that simple. So if Builderall seems like a package that might help you get to where you want to be, I highly recommend you click the links down below and you go check it out. It's totally free. There's a 7-day free trial going on right now. And if you're interested in becoming a Builderall affiliate and not just selling your own products or marketing other products in some of the niches we talked about, you can try the 1 Million Entrepreneur Challenge. This gets you access to a system that Builderall already set up to get you off to a really quick start, and you can actually make money before you spend a dime on the platform at all. In fact, I'm hoping that that's exactly what you do, because when people make money before they even have to pay for the product, it just validates that it works. It's a high converting product. It does really well. Like I said, it pays a lot of my bills, guys. It can pay a lot of your bills too, and I want to help you get there. So click the links in the description, guys. I hope this has been helpful. I hope you check out Builderall if you're interested. It's definitely the perfect product for marketing anything in your niche and becoming a fantastic expert affiliate marketer. There is a lot of resources here, guys. There's no reason why you should fail if you're willing to put in a little work and make the effort. And I'm standing right behind you, ready to help you in any way that I can so that you can become a success. So click those links, check it out. The product is Builderall. You guys are going to absolutely love it. I hope you've enjoyed this training series and gotten a lot out of it. I really love to talk about this sort of stuff. And if you have any questions, of course, you can always contact me. My name is Michael Feyrer Jr. This is Video Content Marketing. It's been a real joy to bring this series to you guys. I hope it provides you with lots of information. If you've ever been interested in affiliate marketing, this is the perfect opportunity to get your feet wet with an instant mentor who wants to help you. I hope to see you there. Have a great day, guys, and I will see you soon.